All right, I got that battery charged up. I got it in this lawnmower, and I couldn't get it cranked. I did get it cranked, but I had to pour a little gas in the carb. So I just replaced the fuel filter, thinking perhaps it's the fuel filter. And next thing, I'm going to pull this little fuel pump off of here and pull a hose off of here and turn it over and see if it's squirting gas. If it's squirting gas, the filter's new, the pump is good, then it'll definitely be the carb, because it starts when I pour gas in the carb. So I may be taking that carb off, but this is too simple to take off and check the fuel pump and make sure it's pumping good enough. It might not have a, I'm gonna put my thumb over this, and just see how hard it's pushing fuel through. Gotta be the carb. All right, I got the carb off. This is the fuel solenoid. There's a little bit of crap in there. Let me pull that pin out and get this float off. Float is full of air. There's no gasoline in it. It looks okay. I think I'm going to get my, I'm going to do two things. I'm going to clean it up, spray it full of carb cleaner. Then I'm going to get my torch tip cleaner and clean out these orifices. And then I'm going to test this fuel solenoid to make sure it's opening fully. When you turn the key, this is supposed to, what happens is when you shut the key off, this shuts the fuel off from coming in the engine. And then when you turn the key on, this little plunger pulls back into the solenoid and lets gas fill the bowl up. So it just prevents backfiring. So in the past, I have cut these plungers completely off, even with the threads, and I may be doing that. So let me plug this in to the wire here, and then ground out the body, and then turn the key and see if that plunger comes in. I'll tell you what, I'm going to go get my tripod. Tell you what, I don't need my tripod. I'm going to do it this way. Now watch that plunger. When I turn the key, here we go. So the plunger, that's working like it's supposed to, so it's got to be carburetor. All right, all I did was clean out the orifices and blow them out with an air hose. Let's give it a try. let's go brag to my wife how incredibly smart I am, and then we'll go do something else.